It's still loading. Load quickly. Why it's taking so much time? Oh, thank God. Finally it's loaded. Now you can see everything is loaded and updated. Now I need to modify this material. So it's, you can see there is, it's an instance. Open the main material. Here you can see you don't have a emissive map. Now go to texture, this emissive map. You can see there's a small section that is an emissive map. Drag drop it here. Now I can connect this directly. I'll show both the things. Connect it to emissive. That's it. So that part right now you can see this lamp is not glowing. See, it's not glowing here. So I need to make sure it's glowing. So I'll go connect this and save it. Saved. Now if you go, you can see now it's glowing, but it's have the light. There's no glow in it. So to control this, to create this glow effect, I need to modify the material. I need to add a multiplier here. Press M and left mouse button. It will generate a multiply. Connect this A to this output to A, this to emissive. Press S for a scalar parameter, S and left mouse button, and name it emissive. This is basically emissive intensity. Default value I'm giving 1. Connect to B. Save it. Now, if you go to your main material, you see everything. So still you can see this is not glowing. So I'll double click this and my instance will open, and you can see I have a parameter emissive, and it's right now it's only yellow color, not glowing. If I increase it, it start to glow. Give it a little glow, not too much, just the effect of glowing, but you can see it's not generating any light here. It's glowing, but there is no light. So what I have to do is press G, select any one of the light, or maybe this one. Alt, drag it, move it here, and intensity can increase. And cast shadow, if you want, you can switch off. So it will stop casting shadow because it's inside this section. So it will cast shadows, it won't glow. And now you can see it's generating this light. See, if you switch it cast shadow, it would cast anything. G. Press G to see. Now you can see this section is glowing. So like this, one by one, I'll modify each all the sections and everything and add details. Now, after adding basic texture and everything is fine, but there are few things we should know in Unreal, like how to create a master material, how to create basic particle system, and how to modify that or how to add anything to that. So we'll from like next class, what we'll do, we'll start adding some amount of particles, some how to create master material, create one material with all the parameters and then use it multiple times. You don't have to create a material every time for everything. So we'll do those things. For this also, I believe I should create a text MSF. Let's see if there is any MSA option. Okay, modify MSF and add all this detail. Where is my MSF map? Height, normal, roughness. There is no MSF. Why? Okay, I'll create a new material for this and create MSF. That is something is required. So I'll do that. Add MSF same like this. I'll add a parameter and make it glowing because it should glow. It will look nice. Um, add other details one by one. So from next class, I'll explain a few things in Unreal, like how to create a master material. I can create only one material and reuse it again and again. Then how to create particle system, how to create like I'll show you like what like particle system is this one. Content Firefly. Like I can create something like this. Like fireflies, you have all these flies, right? So how to create that? Not this one, just this one. Yeah, this one. So it's basically, let's see, small particles. It's huge, so I can reduce it. Because if it's a night scene, usually fireflies you see in night only. So how to create those fireflies particles? I'll explain those things. It's very easy. It's not very difficult. It's like simple one. It's just a like emitter. It's like a GPU emitter. It's emitting all the fireflies particles. So I'll explain how to create this thing and place it in your scene. Generate this thing. So the same technique we can use for like leaf falling or some clouds or some smoke or something. We can use it and generate all this thing. I feel Firefly is not a very good one. This is better, much better. Small. See, small particles. It is compiling. See, it's like how to create all this particle system and everything. I'll explain. It's not very difficult. It's pretty easy. We'll do all this thing and how to create master materials. And once we do everything, and then I'll explain how to render out a video, how to create a video out of it. Because right now you can see everything in Unreal, but I want to suppose I want to present it or show it to showcase it to somewhere someone. So how to do it? How to render out a video? How to render? How to create all this thing? I'll do and show. It's not very difficult. It's pretty easy. It's just matter of practice. I just added one more light just to make it a little gloomy. Otherwise, I cannot see this reflection. And keep saving your file. Give me a second. I'll mark attendance. Okay, we have Devashish present. We have Prithviraj present and Zubin Babu present. So like start like, texture your things, add all the details, import your file into Unreal. So until unless you import it to Unreal, you won't be able to see anything, and like file output wise won't look nice. So texture it, import it to Unreal, and then we'll create a video, nice rendered video, and do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll see you guys.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Well.